If you've had individual false eyelashes applied at a salon, you can remove them naturally at home with steam and oil. Start by pulling your hair back and washing your face with a gentle cleanser. Pat your face dry with a clean towel. Next, boil about 32 ounces, 1 liter of water in a kettle, and pour the hot water into a large glass bowl. Sit with your face about 12 inches, 30 centimeters away from the bowl for 10 to 15 minutes. Let the steam soak into your skin and eyelashes. The steam will help loosen the glue on your lashes. Starting at the outer corners of your eyes and working your way in, begin gently pulling out each individual false lash using your fingers or a pair of tweezers. If a lash is painful to remove, soak your face in the steam for another 2 minutes and try again. Next, dip a cotton pad in olive or coconut oil and gently wipe the pad over your lash line to remove any glue and stray lashes you may have missed. When you're done, wipe the excess oil away with a clean tissue. Another quick option is to use a commercial false eyelash remover gel. Coat a cotton swab in the gel and rub it along your lash line. Then wait 3 minutes for the glue to dissolve with your eyes closed. Soak a clean, soft washcloth or cotton pad in cool water and use it to rub away the gel, dissolve glue, and loose eyelashes.